If you've been using Instagram over the past year to market your business, I'm sure you've seen an increase in Instagram Reels in your feed. Right now, they are the #1 way to get your account in front of new people. However, I want to do more than just help you grow your followers and grow your views. I want to help you grow your bank account. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps that I took to start growing my list with Instagram Reels. Without further ado, let's hop in. Now, recently, Instagram made an announcement that said that Instagram is no longer just a photo sharing app. So people started embracing video in the form of Instagram Reels. Yes, people are going live. Yes, people are still using their stories and posting videos. But Instagram Reels are taking over Instagram. Now, people love them because you can go viral there. And people love the feeling of growing their account and having new followers and seeing 1 million plays on a video. However, you don't own your Instagram account, and followers alone is not going to change your business. You need to get people from Instagram to something you own, like your email list or your website. So this is what I began to do on my Instagram account that helped me to not only grow my following, but grow my bottom line. So let's start with your bio. On Instagram, you're going to be tempted to talk about your entire business. However, you're going to perform higher if you optimize your bio and choose a niche. People say this all the time, but on Instagram, I want to show you that it works a little differently than how you would niche down for your business. Now, in your business, you may have a particular problem that you address with your products and services. But on Instagram, your niche tells people what they can expect from your channel. It's very similar to what you would make your YouTube channel about. So you don't want to be so broad with your content, because what's going to happen is you want people to be able to watch one reel or one piece of content and continue to binge on your account. And by binging your content, you establish thought leadership and cause people to want to click on your link in bio. So your bio is not an overview of the products and services you provide. It is a place where people can understand why they should follow your account and what they can expect to see from you in your feed. You can post about your life, you can post inspirational quotes, but at the end of the day, your bio should be that billboard that tells people this is what you can expect to see here. After you've optimized your bio, you really need to update your link in bio. Now, Instagram is rolling out a feature that will allow people to put a link sticker in their stories even if they don't have 10K. So if you've been waiting on the swipe up feature, you may be able to redirect traffic to a link very soon. However, in an Instagram reel, you cannot drive traffic directly from that reel to a place where you want people to go on the internet. So your goal with your Instagram reel content is to cause people to click on your link in bio. Now, that link should not be your homepage on your website. That link should be optimized for mobile use and should be very clear about what people should do next. Sites like Linktree or Milkshake are great sites to go to create your own link in bio, or you can design that within your own website platform, which a lot of strategists do suggest. However, the goal is when someone watches your content, you want to make the next steps really clear. If you have a ton of calls to action in your reel or in your bio, you will lower your conversion rate. So what is that #1 thing? After someone has watched your reel, what do you want them to do? Do you want them to book a discovery call? Do you want them to go sign up for your mailing list? Keep that in mind when you design that landing page, and that is the link that you put in your bio. You don't have to talk about everything. You simply need to get people from Instagram to something that you own. My suggestion is to create an evergreen freebie that is irresistible. Now, what makes a freebie irresistible on the internet is something that packs so much value that people think you should have charged for it. In my case, I designed a 16-page ebook teaching people about YouTube passive income strategies. I'm very passionate about showing people how to use YouTube to grow your business, how to generate passive income to help eliminate debt. And so this particular ebook walks people through some basic tips to get them started. So when I create content on Instagram, that is the thing that I am driving traffic to. Whether someone looks at that in January or they look at it in June, it's still relevant. So what you want to link to in your bio is not something that is time sensitive. You need a piece of evergreen content, something that is still relevant all year round. And that's the thing that you are going to talk about in your reels. You can use your Instagram stories, Instagram lives, or other types of content to promote time sensitive content. And the reason why you want to do this is because reels will last longer in your feed. I've heard tales of people going viral on a reel they posted 2 weeks ago. If you promote something that is time sensitive and it goes viral 2 weeks after you post it and the content is no longer relevant, you're going to miss out on sales. So think about, what can I create that someone would think I should charge money for? Link to that in your bio and continue to repurpose it as you create new content, and you will see your lists grow. Now that you have optimized your bio, created a custom link, and developed a freebie that is irresistible, you have the system that you need to start growing your email list. If you don't have an email list started, I would suggest starting with Flodesk. You can try it free for 30 days, and they don't charge you more based on the size of your list. That's what I use. So when you go to my landing page, you click, you sign up in the form, it automatically delivers my PDF, and I'm good to go. So once that system is in place, I can just focus on creating engaging content and simply saying, click on the link in my bio. Once they're on my email list, I can share whatever I want. So you don't have to worry about talking about every single aspect of your business on Instagram. Stick to your niche, create targeted evergreen content, and you will start to see your business take off. The last thing I really want to hit home is the goal of the Instagram Reels is not more followers, it's not more likes, it's not more views, it's getting people from Instagram to your email list or your website. That's if you're trying to use Instagram to grow your business. I hope you found this video useful. Of course, if you want to learn more YouTube passive income strategies, you can click on the link in my description, which is also the link to my Instagram landing page. If you want to try Flodesk, the link for that is also in the description. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help you there. Until next time, ta-ta for now.